Well, hello and welcome back to another vlog here today. Today here I'm at Six Flags Whitewater for a special media event. Today is Wednesday, May 18th, and I'm here. It's 8 in the morning and we're going to have an amazing time. We get to ride Python Plunge this early and experience it. It's kind of chilly, actually a lot warmer than it was beforehand on opening day, but I'm super excited about this because there's going to be a camera attached to the slide. So let's go, and with that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. Hey there, Miguel, the annual pass holder here with Lindsay. We're here on a media day event, which is super exciting. It's like 8 in the morning. It's actually warmer than it was on opening day, believe it or not, but we're super excited. This 500-foot like amazing slide. We're about to get into it right now. Super excited. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. Oh wow. Woo! I love this slide so much. And we're going fast. Oh my goodness, I love it. It really whips around. And the salsa turns. Oh my goodness! Oh, it's cold! Oh my goodness! Oh, Python Plunge, such an amazing addition here to Whitewater. Definitely, everybody get out here to try it. It is amazing. Believe you me.